Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will explain about what the meaning of lexical equivalence, lexical equivalence when concepts are shared, lexical equivalence when concepts are unknown, and the last, some problem finding in lexical equivalence. Okay, first, what the meaning of lexical equivalence? Lexical equivalence. Lexical equivalence is the equivalence or likeness of the closest meaning between the source language and the target language of a word is used in context. We know that translation is not concerned with word alone, since most English words have more than one meaning. Equivalence is the relationship between a source text and a target text that allows the target text to be considered as a translation of the source text and is the relationship between two texts into language rather than the language themselves. Lexical equivalence when concepts are shared. A. Using related words as an equivalence. Synonym. 1. Lexical items having the same or nearly the same meaning. 2. Two languages often do not have a matching of synonym to a given concept. 3. May have different connotation. For example, cop versus policeman. Doubles. 1. Two near synonyms word of praise which occur as unite. Example, strangers and foreigner, nice and clean. 2. Emphasize the idea or modify the area of the meaning. 3. Use generic specific relationships. Negating antonyms. 1. Use when a direct equivalent exists. Example, instead of bad say not good. 2. Be aware of collocation to make sure it is appropriate in the context. Using reciprocal lexical items. 1. Often performed by changing active into passive voice or vice versa. For example, John gave me the hat into I received the hat from John. B. Generic specific words. The receptor language word used in the translation is intended to be understood in a generic sense, but it is interpreted by the receptor language speakers in a specific sense. Example, state specific means to be generic. Daily bread. Bread is used as a specific word, but represents a general idea. C. Secondary and figurative sense. 1. Will almost never be translated with an equivalent item of the source language. Example, hypocrite into man with two hearts or man with two mouths in Nigerian language. Lexical equivalence when concepts are unknown. Equivalence by modifying generic words. 1. By making explicit the form of the item. Example, sea equal flat water. 2. By making explicit the function of the item. Example, centurion equal man that commands 100 soldiers. 3. By making explicit both the form and the function. Example, anchor equal irons to which they attach ropes in order that they would get stuck in the dirt so the boat would not move. Equivalence by modifying loan words. Loan words from English, computer, motor, effective. Loan words from Arabian, setan, malaikat, hadir. Equivalence by cultural substitute. BSU in Indonesia is bahasa sumber. Ia mengunyah buah duet dengan lahapnya. BSA is a bahasa sasaran satu. He eats the cherry fruit eagerly. BSE2, he eats the small fruit called duet eagerly. Some problems in finding lexical equivalence. Keywords. There are sometimes thematic. The translator should adjust the translation specifically. Example, memasak equal photosynthesis. Word combination and false literal translation. Example, greenhouse equal rumah hijau. False friends. They are words in the source language which look very much like words in the TL or target language because they are cognate with them, but in fact mean something different. Example, the Spanish word asister does not mean to assist but to attain. guys, thank you for watching. See you next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.